If you're looking for resources that help you deliver effective financial education, then these units, created in partnership with the WFEU, can help. As you can see, there are a number of activities available to help develop pupils' financial understanding, skills and confidence, and help them to meet the challenge of managing money and making informed decisions. One resource that offers cross-curricular links and the versatility of developing the pupil's chronological and financial awareness whilst addressing curriculum Cymraeg is the Financial Timeline resource. To start the lesson, you could leave the interactive activity closed and instead print out enough of the images and statements to give a set each to groups in the class. Cut them up and shuffle them before you give them to the pupils, and keep a copy of the printed sheets for yourself so you can keep track of the correct answers. Next, you could split the class into mixed ability groups and set them the task of matching the images to the statements. There'll be lots of debate about what the images depict. When they've done that and shared their ideas with the rest of the class, ask them to place the images into chronological order. By printing out and laminating large versions of the images, the groups can have the opportunity of sharing their timeline with the rest of the class. Ask one group to stick the images in chronological order along the classroom wall. Then let each group, in turn, explain how their timeline differs until the whole class are in agreement about the order the images should be placed in. This would be the perfect time to bring in the interactive resource. Each image could be looked at individually and its place on the timeline discussed. The class could be given the chance to compare the interactive timeline with their own timeline stuck on the classroom wall. This would be an ideal opportunity for them to review and question their original ideas. Why did they place that image there? Why do they think it came before or after another event? And so on. Once the class have made the necessary adjustments to their timelines, the details relating to each picture could be viewed, allowing each group to check the statements they had assigned to each image match the ones on the interactive resource. Then, if you want to enhance their literacy skills and build on the curiosity generated by the resource, you could set each group a task of researching one of the monetary timeline connections to Wales and presenting their findings to the class. There are many conventional presentation tools available, but if you want to try something new, then Glogster, Wallwisher and Prezi are all free tools that you may want to explore.